Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fund or send and receive money using Ezipay Ghana. So basically Ezipay Ghana is an application for Ghanaian where you can send and receive money as a Ghana citizen. But even if you're not a Ghanaian, you can still register and use the services provided. There are a lot of services. You can buy airtime, pay bills and all that. So I'm going to use my debit card to fund my Ezipay wallet, but in ideal sense you cannot actually fund your wallet. You can only use the debit card to buy directly and send it to someone without having to funding it on your wallet account. But there is actually a trick way we can use where you can use to fund your money. That is by using a wrong number, providing a wrong number into the field that will enable you, or that will actually get your money, will enable you to get your money refunded instantly. Because once the number is not found and you have already been debited, you actually get your money refunded back to your account. So this is the application for those of you that are just starting. This is the app. You can go to Google Play Store and download it. Sorry. I'm coming. So this is the application you are going to use. If you don't have it, just kindly go to Google Play Store and download it. So let's get started. First of all, if you click on it, Ezipay. So basically the currency that we're going to buy is Ghana cedi. As you can see, I have some little amount of Ghana cedi on my account already, on my wallet already. So okay, if you want to use your debit card, just click on this mobile money for your left, verify your fingerprints, open, and then use the option 1. I'm going to use option 1. Then I'm going to use the method of mobile money, MTN mobile money transfer, to fund my account. So this is where you're going to use a wrong number, any wrong number of which the user is not found. I warn you, you should be very careful in this place, because if you use any number that in which the user is registered with the Ezipay, you're definitely going to lose your phone, as you are sending the phone directly to that person. So be very careful. So how you understand that the number is not registered on Ezipay is, let me show you. So let's say I'm going to use, so the number must always start with 0. Okay, so this is the number I'm going to use for testing. As you can see, the number is not found. This is it. It is not found. That's it. Okay, then now I'm going to select the amount. I'm going to input the amount I want to buy. But the maximum amount in a day, in a particular day, is I think 1000 cedi. So you shouldn't exceed that per day. So I'm going to buy, let's say, 290 cedi. So as you can see, they're going to charge me 12.15 cedi as international charge for the card. So the number is not found. I can proceed. Yes, are you sure you want to pay? Yes. Okay, it's brought me to the payment page where I will have to input my card details. Okay, so I've already inserted my card details and click on next. So this is billing address where you input your billing address, but this is not necessary, so you just skip it, click on next. So now I'm going to pay the sum of 302.15 GHS, that's Ghana Cedi. So I'll click on pay now. So they're going to send me my OTP for authentication. Okay, this way I will enter the code. I'll click on submit. Then that's all. As long as I have sufficient funds on my account, this should be able to go. But mind you, not all cards works actually on this Ezipay. So there are some selected type of card that actually work on the platform. Not all cards actually work. So your transaction is being processed. That means my transaction is successful. So because the reason now they are going to refund my account because I have used a wrong number, so they can't send that money because I've already used a wrong number. So yeah, the money is going to be reimbursed back to my account.